Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to all my viewers from Facebook, Instagram, wherever you are watching the great Malam Yusuf from Ghana. Today is Tuesday, and I just want to let my viewers, my followers, to see what we call instant, because a lot of people are suffer and they haven't get what they want. And I want here today to be the end of the softness for everybody who is suffering or everyone who is lacking. If you have financial problem, contact the great man. Marriage problem, sickness problem, every problem that you have. Don't say you are tired. We know there are a lot of spiritual people are out to say that they are spiritual people, but they don't behave like a spiritual men. But reality or actions speak louder than words. So I'm just here taking this video for all my viewers who have seen this program, wherever you are from Italy, US, Germany, South Africa, Botswana, Gambia, wherever you are, and you have seen the great man. Inshallah, don't say maybe you are tired. When there is journey on top of it. You understand? And when you are going to a journey and you never reach the end of the journey, never say you are tired. And everything reality have fake. So I want all my viewers to know that people that you meet and your financial status never comes stable, they are not the people that can help. If you get to meet the right person, that the way you are speaking to me, inshallah, you'll be able to see difference between white and black. And I'm not going to talk much. I hope you people too can see. This is what we call instant money. When we talk about instant money, this is what we call instant money. And the reason why that we are doing this work is a society and it's a family society. As soon as I'm here today, tomorrow I'm not going to be here. Every human being is going to die. So everything that you are doing, you have to be truth and you have to be good. Because what you plant is what you invest. So I want all my viewers to know that we are doing this work for people that we don't know. And they have turned to a family to us now, because some relationship or some friendship are more than family. And not the child you give birth to, he's the one can clean your tears. Yes. So if you don't take care of someone's own, there's no way that you can take care of your own too. So I'm not here to talk too much. I just want to take this opportunity for my viewers to see and get to know